Hello guys, so in this video we are going to be looking at Leetcode problem minimum depth of binary tree. So what is the minimum depth of a binary tree? It is just like the maximum depth, but instead we will be looking at minimum, since we will be finding the first leaf node that can be reached from the root node, so that we have the minimum depth of the binary tree. That is, in this example, if you look at 3 to 9, this is the minimum depth. Why? Because this is the leaf node, and it has a path, like we have a path from 3 to 9 which has the minimum depth, like we are going to the minimum depth of this binary tree, so we consider this this tree has a minimum depth of 2. So for solving this problem, what I'll be going through is I'll do a level order traversal. So this problem will be iterative, and we can see that in the level order traversal, at the level where we find the first leaf node, that is the level that is the level which is minimum depth of the binary tree. So it would be pretty straightforward. For level order traversal, I will be utilizing a queue. So from collections, I'll first import the dq. Now if the root provided to us is null, that means that we don't have a tree and the minimum depth is 0. Else we will initialize the queue. We will initialize the queue with root node. Then we have to take a variable for maintaining current level. So what we will be doing, we can do this either way. We can take the current level as 0 or 1. I'll take the 1, and in the loop I will increment it. I'll take it 0, and in the loop I'll increment it as soon as I enter the loop. So this is done. Now while queue, I'll first take the number of nodes at this level. Number of nodes would be length of queue, and I'll again iterate for I in range number of nodes. One more thing, since we are in this queue, we know that we current level has reached a new one, so we can just increase it with 1 here. Now for I in range of nodes, I'll do node equal to q dot pop left. It doesn't matter at this point if we pop left or just pop, because we are not going to traverse anything. We just need to check the node with if the node is leaf tree or leaf node or not. If not, node dot right and not node dot left, we will return current level. And that's about it. If node, and now we popped the node, so we have to enter the nodes, like the nodes children, into the queue, right? Because we still need to keep on traversing it. So what I'll do is I'll do if node dot right, it doesn't matter, but let's stick to it. If node dot left, q dot append node dot left. If node dot right, q dot append node dot write. It will continue doing this, like if first it will take the root node and increment the current level to 1. The number of nodes will be 1, and this loop will be running only for one node will be root, and then if not node not, but the root node has left node as well as the right node, so it will not return here. It will go to node dot left. It will append node dot left and node dot right. Now length of queue will be 2. Since we have 9 and 20, it will pop 9 first, and now current level has been already increased to 2, and node number of nodes will be 2. So for the in the first iteration, it will pop up the 9 here, and as you see, if not node not 9 is a leaf node, it will just return the current leaf, and we don't need to return anything at the end, but just to be syntactically correct, we can return cur level here. So we got 2. Let's submit it, and it is accepted. If you can see that even if I comment that out, it is still accepted. But whenever I was with Google's interview, the interviewer asked me to always return at the end of the code, so I'm putting that return statement here. Thank you guys.